Number 1. 1976 Ford F250. Price $8,000. This is a well-preserved classic truck with 99,000 miles. Powered by a robust 460 V8 engine and paired with an automatic transmission, it delivers solid performance. The truck features a two-wheel drive system and a striking green exterior that complements its well-maintained green interior. The seat remains in good condition, and overall, the truck has minimal rust, making it a great candidate for a restoration project or a dependable vintage workhorse. With its durable build and timeless design, this F250 runs strong and is ready for the road. Whether for daily driving, light hauling, or a classic truck collection, it offers plenty of potential. The truck is being sold as is, with no trades accepted. Number 2. 1979 Chevrolet C10. Price $10,000. With a black exterior, a red interior, and an automatic 3-speed transmission, it is powered by a reliable 350 small block engine with 135,000 miles. The truck runs strong with no leaks, though, as expected for a 46-year-old vehicle, there is some surface rust underneath. Significant upgrades and replacements have been made, including a new set of Cooper Cobra tires installed by Harrison Tire and Oil, a completely new exhaust system from the manifold to the tailpipes done by Muscle Car Therapy, and new motor mounts from the same shop. The suspension has been lowered 4/6 by Kilgore Customs, and all ball joints have been replaced. Additional updates include a new carburetor with an electronic choke from National Carburetors, a new interstate battery, and a new power steering pump. This C10 is a solid classic with modern improvements, making it a great choice for a vintage truck enthusiast. Number 3. 1986 Chevrolet 1500. Price $10,000. With 108,000 original miles, featuring a 305 V8 engine paired with a 350 automatic transmission. It has a white exterior, a gray interior, and comes with power windows, power locks, and ice-cold air conditioning. The body is in excellent shape with no rust underneath or in the rocker panels. The truck has received a full tune-up, including new plugs, wires, a distributor cap, and a rebuilt carburetor. The rear end has been serviced, and new brakes have been installed on both the front and rear, including AC Delco calipers, rotors, pads, wheel cylinders, and rear drums. While it runs strong, the front rotors appear to be slightly warped, causing a shake when stopping. Additionally, it smokes briefly on startup due to worn valve seals from sitting, but they have yet to be replaced. The truck was originally purchased with plans for a short bed conversion and comes with a donor truck. It features a durable 12-bolt rear end and remains a great candidate for restoration or customization. Number 4. 1993 Chevrolet 2500. Price $7,000. With 198,000 miles, featuring a blue exterior and matching blue interior. It is equipped with an automatic transmission, a 5.7 LTBI engine that runs strong, and a smooth-shifting 4L60 transmission. Built for durability, it comes with heavy-duty suspension and 6 lug wheels. The truck is currently fitted with a 4-inch rough country spindle lift, 26 by 14 TIS wheels, and 35 by 13.5 by 26 tires that still have about 95% tread remaining. While it runs well, it could use some cosmetic attention and occasionally emits light smoke. The air conditioning system is functional but requires a Freon recharge. Number 5. 1985 Chevrolet 3500. Price $8,000. This truck is a rugged and capable 4x4 square body with 100,000 miles on the odometer. Under the hood, it features a powerful 454 Ci V8 engine paired with a 4-speed manual transmission, delivering solid performance and reliability. Built for heavy-duty use, it comes equipped with a 1-ton Dana 60 front axle and a 14-bolt rear axle, ensuring durability and strength. A 6-inch rough country lift kit and 37-inch tires give it an aggressive stance and excellent off-road capability. The bold red exterior enhances its classic look, making it a head-turner wherever it goes. The truck runs, drives, and stops well, but it could use some minor adjustments, including carburetor tuning and wiring work for the gauges. Despite these small needs, this Chevy remains a strong and dependable truck with plenty of potential for restoration or customization. Number 6. 2000 GMC Sierra 2500. Price $6,600. This is a reliable and powerful truck with 139,000 miles on the odometer. It features a 6.0L V8 engine, an automatic transmission, and a 2WD drivetrain. The gold exterior is complemented by a gray interior, which is in decent condition. The truck runs and drives great, with no check engine lights or oil leaks. It also has a functional FM/AM radio and cold AC. It comes equipped with a Husky toolbox and has plenty of power. However, it will need new tires soon and has a minor power steering leak. Overall, this Sierra remains a solid work truck with a clean Arizona title. Number 7. 1984 Chevrolet 1500. Price $10,000. With 340,000 miles on the body, but it has been upgraded with a brand new crate engine. All paperwork and receipts for the engine and other maintenance work are available. It features an automatic transmission, a red exterior, and a black interior. Currently used as a daily driver, the mileage will continue to increase as it remains in regular use. While the truck runs strong, there is a rust hole in the cab and rear wheel area, which should be an easy fix for someone looking to restore or customize it. Despite the body imperfections, it has been well maintained and continues to perform well on the road. Number 8. 1995 Chevrolet 1500. Price $4,500. With 213,000 miles and a clean Virginia title, it has a black exterior, a gray interior, and an automatic transmission. The 4x4 system works properly, and the truck runs, drives, and stops as it should. The frame is clean and mostly free of rust, making it a solid choice for a dependable pickup. It also features a Pioneer Bluetooth audio system for modern convenience. Recent maintenance includes a new starter, all 4 shocks, and new plug wires. The previous owner replaced the CV axles, tie rod ends, control arms, and sway bar links in 2021, with receipts available. The only known issue is a minor exhaust leak at the passenger side header, but overall, the Chevy remains a strong and capable truck. Number 9. 1991 Ford F150. Price $3,900. With 165,000 miles and an automatic transmission. It features a clean white exterior with a blue interior, both of which have been well preserved. The truck is powered by a reliable 5.0L V8 engine and runs great with no check engine lights. The body is exceptionally straight, showing no major dents or damage. The interior is in near-perfect condition, a rarity for a truck of this age. It also comes equipped with dual gas tanks, though the rear tank may need to be cleaned before use due to old fuel left inside by the previous owner. While there is some paint missing, as expected for a vehicle of this vintage, it remains in impressive condition overall. The tires have good tread, and the truck drives smoothly. Originally intended as a fun project truck, it has proven to be too nice to modify or rough up. Number 10. 1992 Chevrolet 1500. Price $6,000. It has 230,000 miles and features a 5.7L 350 engine with an automatic transmission. It has a 4-inch lift, 33-inch mud-terrain tires, and a rebuilt transmission with a Corvette servo and shift kit. The blue exterior and interior are in good condition, though the driver's side rocker has some rust, and it has the typical dents and door sag of OBS Chevy trucks. The heat works well, but it has no AC. The truck runs strong, burning a small amount of oil and occasionally leaking coolant. It has been a reliable daily driver for the past 3 years. The cab corners are solid, and the toolbox and CB radio are not included in the sale.